Assalamu alaikum to everyone. Hope so that you all are doing very well. Today is 11th November 2024 and the day is Monday. For today we are going to start our exercise number 8b. Simply the theory of this exercise is that we have to write the equation of the horizontal lines and the vertical lines, and we have to write down the equations of the given lines present in the graphs. So the main theory and the main topic is that horizontal line represents y-axis and the vertical line represents x-axis in the graph. Right now we are coming to our question number 1, which is write down the equation of each of the given horizontal lines. In the question he is saying that the line 1 and the line 2 which are given to us, we have to write down the equation of them. So what we studied previously, that these are the horizontal lines. The lines in this format or in this way or in this pattern will be known as horizontal lines. We are seeing here line 1 and line 2 are the horizontal lines, and what we have to do, we have to write down the equations of these lines. So what we studied, that horizontal line represents the y-axis. So its equation, line 1 equation will be y is equals to it is on 6, so it will be y is equals to 6, and it is on 2.2, so it will be y is equals to minus 2, because it is present on the negative y-axis. As you can see, I also wrote the answer y is equals to 6 for the equation of line 1 and y is equals to minus 2 for the equation of line 2 for you. Hope so that part A is right now understandable for you. We are going towards the part number B. In the graph, the statement of which is that in the graph, draw each of the lines with the following equations. Right now we have to draw y is equals to minus 3 and y is equals to 3 into 1 by 2. So this is y-axis, this is the value of y. So we have to draw the horizontal line on the point y is equals to minus 3, and minus 3 we are seeing that this is minus 3. So the line will be like this. Here, as you can see, y is equals to minus 3, we have to draw. I drew this line for you. This is the line of the y is equals to minus 3. Right now we have to draw y is equals to 3 into 1 by 2. What is the meaning of 1 by 2? 1 by 2 represents 0.5 or half. So it will be 3.5 that we have to draw. So on the graph we can see this is the origin, and we have to move on the y-axis upward. This is 3. And in between 4 and 3 there will be 3.5. So we have to draw our horizontal line like this, because horizontal line represents the y-axis. Y is equals to plus 3.5. As you can see, I drew this line for you. This is the point number y is equals to 3 into 1 by 2, which can also be written as 3.5. So hope so this question number 1 is understandable for you. Right now moving towards the question number 2, the statement of which is that write down the equation of each of the given vertical lines. As you can see, there are two vertical lines given to us, and the theory was that vertical line will represent our x-axis. And here line 1 is on, we can see it is in between 0 and 1, and it is the positive x-axis. So the equation of this line will be x is equals to 0.5. So I wrote x is equals to 0.5 for you, and the next line we can see, this is the line number 2. It is present on the negative x-axis, and the value is minus 2 from which the line is passing. So the value of it is x is equals to minus 2. The equation of this line is x is equals to minus 2. So what we have learned that the vertical lines in the graph will always represent the x-axis. Right now come towards the part number B of this question. In this part, it is stated that in the graph, draw each of the lines with the following equations. Right now we have to draw the lines, the equations of which are given to us. For example, the part 1 is x is equals to 1, we have to draw. So this is positive x, and we have to draw x is equals to 1. So the line will be on this place. Here you can see that I drew this line x is equals to 1 for you, and in the part number 2 we are given with x is equals to minus 2 into 1 by 2. This is minus 2 and 1 by 2 represents half. So minus 2 plus half will be equal to minus 2.5, and here we can see that this is negative x-axis. We have to move on the left direction, and in between minus 3 and minus 2 there will be a half, and means that minus 2.5. So this is the line for this. Another question which is given in the both question number 1 and question number 2 is that describe the lines. Here it is also given to us. We can see that these are the horizontal lines, so we only have to write the pattern here. In the description of the lines we have only to write, which is that the lines are horizontal, and on this place we have to write the lines are vertical. Just in the description we have to show the pattern of the lines. I wrote both of the answers for this. As you can see, describe the lines. The pattern of the lines is horizontal, so we have to write the lines are horizontal, and on the question number 2 we can see the pattern of the lines are vertical, so the answer is the lines are vertical. Right now, moving towards the question number 3, we can see the question is write down the equation of each of the given lines. We are given with the two lines, one of them is horizontal and one of them is vertical. We only have to write the equation of them. So what we studied, that the horizontal line represents the y-axis. So the equation of the line 1 will be, it is clearly seen, y is equals to 4. Here you can see I wrote the answer for you. This is the horizontal line and passing through the point 4. So what we studied, that the horizontal line represents the y-axis. So the answer is y is equals to 4. And this is the vertical line. What we have studied up till now, that the vertical line will always represent the x-axis. So it is because it is passing through the point minus 3. So the equation of this line will be x is equals to minus 3. There is important point which is to be noted, is that I always use the term line. We have studied the difference between the line and the line segment in the class. That line segment is actually the part of the line जिसकी आपके पास लेंथ जो है वो गिवन होती है, बट लाइन की कोई भी आपके पास लिमिट नहीं होती, कोई भी एंड पॉइंट नहीं होता, इसीलिए हम एरो लगाते हैं दोनों साइड पे, ये एक्सटेंडेड है. आप ग्राफ में भी देख सकते हैं, ऊपर को भी वाई की तरफ भी एरो है, नीचे की तरफ भी, यानी हर तरफ ये तकरीबन एरो होता है. द रीज़न इज़ डैट कि ये एक्सटेंडेड होते हैं इन्फिनिटी तक, इसकी कोई लिमिट नहीं होती. सो हम लोग जब भी लाइंस को ड्रॉ करते हैं तो हम लोगों ने दोनों तरफ जो है एरो पुट करना है, बिकॉज दीज आर लाइंस नॉट द लाइन सेगमेंट्स. और लाइन के आपको पता है कोई लिमिट नहीं होती, ये आप लोगों ने पॉइंट याद रखना है. Another thing I want to mention by which you can be confused, that at the last of the book I checked the answers. Question number 3 के जो आंसर्स बेटा आप लोगों को दिए हुए हैं वो एक्चुअली स्लोप और ग्रेडियंट्स के हैं. स्लोप होती है एक वो बिल्कुल एक इस तरह की लाइन, टेढ़ी सी लाइन, जिसका फार्मूला हमारे पास राइज ओवर रन होता है, और y ओवर x भी हम कह सकते हैं. बट आपकी बुक की क्वेश्चन के अकॉर्डिंग ये हमारा सिलेबस का पार्ट नहीं है. हम लोगों ने वही करना था जो आप लोगों के सिलेबस में. सिर्फ क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 के आंसर से आप लोगों ने कंफ्यूज नहीं होना, आंसर करेक्ट यही है. एट द बैक ऑफ द बुक द आंसर्स आर डूइंग रॉन्ग. उसने ग्रेडियंट या स्लोप के आपके पास आंसर्स लिखे हुए हैं जो कि हमारे सिलेबस का पार्ट नहीं है. होप सो दिस लेसन विल बी वेरी बेनिफिशियल फॉर यू. ओके, प्रैक्टिस वेल ओनली ऑन द बुक. So inshallah we shall do the question number 4, question number 5 and question number 6 tomorrow. Take care of yourself and hope so you have already done the exercise number 8A in a very well pattern. Okay, Allah Hafiz.